Hello and welcome to episode 4 of Wellness by Ridomax. Today we're joined by Mrs. Prabino. She's a national and international level badminton player. Of recently, she represented our country in the BWF World Championship in 2025. This was held in Thailand. A former Madhya Pradesh state champion, Prabino ji has made a powerful comeback to competitive badminton after a 16-year-long break, proving that passion has no age limit. Alongside her sporting journey, she is also an education professional based in Hyderabad. Her story is one of resilience, discipline, and second chances. Welcome, Prabino ji.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah. Prabino ji, you have represented India in World Senior Championships in Thailand of recently, like in 2025.
Yes.
That is the dream of many athletes. How did it feel when you were wearing the Indian jersey?
See, it was overwhelming. I think while answering this question, I'm still having the goosebumps over here. So it's a long cherished dream. And it's not just representing country over there. एक कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि आप उस लेवल पे अचीव कर सकते हो. वो कॉन्फिडेंस आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है लाइफ में. एंड आई बिलीव आई वोर दैट जर्सी. मैंने पहना है जिसपे लिखा है प्रबीनो इंडिया. दैट फीलिंग वॉज ग्रेट. बट उस जर्सी के पीछे बहुत लोग हैं जो डिजर्व करते हैं उस जर्सी को. सो माई हस्बैंड, माई फैमिली, माई पेरेंट्स एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली माई फ्रेंड्स, the entire team was there. So without their support, sacrifices, their belief in me, this dream would not have been achieved. So yes, jersey was mine, but this entire journey was not alone.
That is beautiful. That is beautiful. So you had stepped away from badminton in, I suppose, 2005.
Yes.
And then after a really long break, you were back in the game. But when you were back, I think it was not just a casual player. You were directly shooting for a competitive line, I suppose. So, what was the hardest part when you were pushing yourself to come down to that stage again?
See, I started at the age of 12 and I left badminton at the age of 19 because of injuries. I tried recovering, I visited some physiotherapists, but it never happened. So I was like, chalo, padhai kar lete hain. And then I got busy with my studies and personal life. 16 years, seriously, I'm telling you, पता भी नहीं चला कि कब निकल गए because आप routine life में इतना busy रहते हो. So thinking about badminton again was never, not even came across my mind even once. And one important thing ki I left because of injuries, but injuries never left me, basically.
Okay.
So they were there with me. I was struggling with my day-to-day activities because of that injury. So my life was not easy without badminton also.
Okay.
So in 2020, I thought, let's try physiotherapy once again. Let's hope after 15, 16 years, kuch to evolve hua hoga medicine mein. So at least I should live a pain-free life.
Correct.
So just with that idea, and I am really thankful that I had that idea because उस आइडिया से आज मैं यहाँ तक हूँ. सो आई विजिटेड अ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट एंड उन्होंने इतना कॉन्फिडेंस दिया कि लेट्स डू दिस टुगेदर एंड ही टुक इट एज अ पर्सनल चैलेंज कि आई विल मेक यू प्ले बैडमिंटन अगेन. एंड आई एम सीरियसली टेलिंग यू, आई लाफ्ड at that moment. Sorry, not badminton. I just want a routine life, but without any pain.
Okay.
So, but yeah, physiotherapy happened, a lot of sessions happened, and then he pushed me to the court. And that first step on the court started the journey of the World Championship, I think. So, yeah, I think it's all about taking the action.
Correct. So it must have taken you a lot of trust to take that leap again and get back. But
That's so true. A lot of efforts, and as I told you earlier, मैं इस बात में believe करती हूँ कि कोई भी effort आप अकेले नहीं लेते हो. There has to be entire support system जो होना चाहिए आपके साथ, तभी वो confidence आता है and you just give it a try at least.
So Prabino ji, playing at such a high level, post say the age of 35 and in today's time that you're doing, I think is really different from playing in your 20s.
Definitely.
So your relationship with your body in terms of nutrition, recovery speed might have changed over the years, right? So what do you want to say about that?
Oh, yes, definitely. The way you used to train in your 20s is different. You are training at the age of almost 40. So when I was young, हम इतना recovery पे focus नहीं करते. We used to train hard and automatically हमारा जो cope up mechanism होता है body का वो काम कर जाता है. But now at this age, I realize because I recovered from so many injuries, so now I value body. I listen to my body. So primarily I focus on the basic things, proper nutrition, sleep, which is very important,
important.
and hydration. These are just the basic things जो हमें करना ही है. And plus strength training, which is very important because for females especially, at this age हमारे hormonal changes की वजह से हमारे मसल्स बहुत वीक होते हैं, तो इंजरी प्रोन आप ज्यादा होते हो.
Correct.
So you have to do strength training. I go to gym 3 times in a week. I go for badminton training 3 times in a week. So not all days I am doing everything, and Sundays definitely for recovery period. And I also focus a lot on supplements. So काफी टाइम पहले तक मैं मल्टीपल vitamins लेती थी. एक विटामिन डी का एक टैबलेट ले रही हूँ, एक B12 का टैबलेट ले रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई बिलीव एवरीथिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. फिश ऑयल लेती हूँ. So a lot of tablets I used to take, but then I got a beautiful combination, a beautiful tablet with all of these combinations, which is a uni tablet, जिसमें सारे basic important vitamins available in single tablet. So I think that tablet made my life easier in all that hectic schedule. I have to take only one tablet, and that works. So I think supplements are important at this age.
That is great that you found everything all together.
Yes.
So badminton is a really tough sport on your knees, on your shoulders, and also on joints, especially when you have such long careers. And like you said, you also have a working life, then you have a sporting life, and also managing home at the same time. So, because like you stopped playing because of the injury earlier. So, in today's time, injury prevention, I think, would have become like a hot topic for you to take care of the part really much. So, how does joint prevention and injury prevention involve you in sustaining in your comeback journey?
सी एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल एनालॉजी देती हूँ मैं आपको. हम लोग बहुत सारे लोग इंजरी होने के बाद तो हमें पता है हमें क्या करना है. लाइक फिजियो के पास जाना है, डॉक्टर्स के पास जाना है, कुछ ना कुछ थेरेपी रहेगा ही. सो आई गिव यू द एनालॉजी with the water. So most of us, we drink water when we are thirsty, right? Basically, thirst is the last signal of the body कि I am dehydrated, please
Drink
अब कुछ
water.
दे दो.
Correct.
Right? But before that signal, the dehydration has been already started. वो तो last signal है जब हम उसे देते हैं.
Correct.
Right? In the same manner, injury is a very late signal, the loudest signal basically I would say of the body कि अब damage start हो चुका है.
आप action
Please
लो.
action लो.
Correct.
Right? So उस लेवल तक पहुंचने के पहले ही if we start doing something so that हम injury के लेवल तक ना पहुंचे. So do not wait for the thirst to drink water. In the same or similar fashion, do not wait till the injury happened and then you do any reactive action. Focus on preventive. So a lot of things are there. Key strength training, as I said, nutrition, focus on the protein. हमारे Indian diet में, especially जो vegetarian diet है, उसमें we focus very less on protein. So protein पे focus करेंगे, sleep पे focus करेंगे, and I really use ortho oil. So daily night में मेरा एक ritual है.
Okay.
Especially on knees and on my important muscle group, major like lower body hai, that is a very important muscle group for badminton. So I apply that oil.
Okay.
And I keep myself warm. I feel good. So when I get up in the morning, I am very fresh. The basic soreness, छोटा भी कुछ होता है तो वो soreness खत्म हो जाता है, and I am all set for the day.
So many women believe that after a certain age, your dreams maybe take a backseat, or maybe it's the responsibilities that are bestowed upon you that your dreams are in the back end then. So, in your journey of this comeback and your journey of managing everything all together and coming back in the sport very aggressively and, on top of it, did you ever face doubt from maybe the society or some kind of pressure that, okay, today I have to take care of these responsibilities, so I'm not in a position to go back.
Definitely yes, because I'm a woman, this question pops up.
Yeah.
Probably if there's a men on my position, ये question exists भी नहीं करता
Definitely,
था,
definitely.
right? So people believe and they say that there is gender neutrality, but seriously, no, it's not there. लोग आपको डायरेक्टली प्रॉबेबली नहीं फील कराएंगे कि आप कुछ बहुत अलग कर रहे हो, बट इनडायरेक्टली दे मेक यू फील, दे आस्क सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस, is this right at this age?
Correct.
Question mark. Isn't it too demanding? You go for badminton? Question mark. Then you have family time. Your husband cooks? Oh my God, that's too much. You are blessed. And I'm like, sometimes I'm clueless. And जब ये questions आते हैं ना, तो कई बार आप खुद भी self reflection mode में जाते हो.
Correct.
क्या मैं सही कर रही हूँ? Is this right even? इतना एनर्जी अगर मैं अपने पैशन को फॉलो करने में लगा रही हूँ along with an 8-hour work,
Correct.
is that worth it? क्योंकि लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो आप सोचते हो उन चीजों के बारे में.
Definitely.
But then I stopped all the questions of the people and I asked only one question to myself. क्या मुझे खुशी मिल रही है? Is this a driving factor?
Definitely.
अगर मुझे खुशी मिल रही है, if this is giving me happiness enough, I'll go for it. And ये अकेले आंसर आप नहीं देते हो, आप जिनके साथ रहते हो, आप पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हो, आप इन-लॉज के साथ रहते हो, आप हस्बैंड के साथ रहते हो, they take care of such questions on your behalf. तब आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि आप अकेले बर्डन नहीं हो इन आंसर्स को देने के लिए. You have a support system जो आपको एक कभी फील नहीं कराता है that you are doing so many things and you are not managing your time, because they are always available, they are always ready to push you.
Correct.
So you need that system.
So you had like a really solid family support system.
Yes.
It looks like that.
Undoubtedly.
That is great. I think every woman would want that.
Yes.
That is the
I am
ultimate.
blessed, yes.
That's great, great. So at Ridermax, we believe, and I think you are a walking testimonial of the same principle, I suppose, that age is no barrier to stay active. But I suppose there's a larger set of audience in maybe the age of 30 to 40 already who are under the myth that their body is not cooperating anymore. How can you break that?
See, definitely there is a myth that with age your fitness declines or with age you become weaker. No. If you do not work out, you become weaker. Fitness कभी नहीं खराब होती है एज के साथ. आप वर्कआउट नहीं करोगे, you will not listen to your body, then definitely आपकी fitness decline होगी ही. So with right and proper training, you need a change in the training schedule as well. Even at 30s, 40s, even if you're not an athlete, regular working person, आपको basic workout करना पड़ेगा just to be fit.
Definitely.
Right? And fit, see, a lot of people compares fitness with the appearance. हाँ ठीक है, I'm happy in my body, right? Fitness is not only about appearance. That is, of course, the beautiful aspect of it. You feel
Correct,
good,
correct.
right? But fitness is like मैं walk कर सकती हूँ, मैं run कर सकती हूँ. If it requires मैं stairs पे चढ़ना उतरना कर सकती हूँ effortlessly. That is fitness,
Correct.
right? तो वो करना पड़ेगा आपको. So fitness का age से connection नहीं है. Right training is more important.
Correct.
And I'll tell you one very important thing. I think you'll be surprised. So when we go to this masters category, I play in masters category. This category starts from 35 plus. And
Okay.
every 5 years category changes.
Okay.
So 35 plus, 40 plus, 45, 50, 55 plus, 60 plus, 65, 70 plus,
Wow.
75 plus, and this year they added 80 plus category.
Wow.
Now, can you imagine a 75 plus person, age of 75 plus person is traveling to another city or probably another country for World Championship? They are traveling for badminton.
Wow. That
Can you
is
just imagine? I can't imagine my parents traveling alone.
definitely.
They are 65 plus. But these people, they are traveling alone, they are playing badminton, they are managing their accommodation, travel, food, nutrition, everything, their medication, of course. So when I go for the tournaments, mine is the youngest age.
Yeah.
So in real life, I am very old for the people के इस age में भी बैडमिंटन खेल रहे हो. But when I go for the tournaments, I feel, oh my God, I'm very young here. Because I see 70 plus people, 75 plus people, they are playing. And I'm like so inspired. I come back
Definitely.
with double energy. कि wow, if they can play, मेरे पास तो अभी बहुत साल हैं खेलने के
बहुत
लिए.
साल है, truly.
So that's the motivation. I think everyone should have this.
Wow, that is truly, truly inspiring. And I don't think a lot of people even know that
Yes,
this kind of
exactly.
tournaments and championships exist,
Yes.
where there are people at that age group really giving it their all. That is really inspiring. Wow.
So age is just a number.
Yeah, truly, truly. So we've been seeing lately a lot of active players have started also testing out non-medicated or herbal products. Have you seen that too? And do you think there is maybe a particular reason people are actually wanting to try that way?
See, actually, a lot of people, and we all see that a lot of side effects are there of the medicated aspects. A lot of medicinal products are there. So, yes, that shift is there, herbal side or Ayurvedic side. That is good when you want to prevent an injury.
Okay.
But when it comes to heavy matches or when you are going through an injury, at that time you have to resort to medicated ones. So
Correct.
during a match, if you need some activation, कुछ product apply करना है, तो you look forward for medicinal products only. उस समय herbal काम नहीं करेगा.
Correct.
So I think you need to understand that balance between the non-medicated herbal ones and when should I resort to
Yeah.
medicated ones. So that balance you need to understand.
Correct.
It can never be either way.
Correct.
You can't
Correct. In
choose
today's
one way.
time.
You
Yeah.
have to make a right combination, right balance,
Yeah.
and as per the requirement, you have to go ahead.
Right, right. So, like you said, in the middle of like a lot of heavy matches, have you some time or the other felt that there was a muscle pull or there was something that was not letting you participate at that point in the match? Because you're in the middle of the game and you need to really think quick. So, what is your go-to move?
See, especially in summers, what happens because back-to-back matches are there, a lot of humidity is there, so sweating happens, dehydration की वजह से a lot of crampings happen.
Okay.
उस वजह से बहुत बार ये प्रॉब्लम होता है कि प्लेयर हैड टू टेक अ ब्रेक, कोई चॉइस नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग तो डेफिनेटली इज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स. वो तो पीना है, ओनली वाटर कैन नेवर हेल्प यू. सो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स आपको लेना ही लेना है. एंड एनी स्प्रे यू कैन टेक, तो वो टॉपिकल काम करता है. आइसिंग इफ फिजियोथेरेपी काउंटर इज देयर, so they do instant icing over there with the ice packs. So they put the spray first, and on top of it they apply ice.
Okay.
If you watch a lot of international matches, during 1 or 2 minutes of break of the players, coaches are ready with the ice packs.
Yes, true.
So no medicine, no spray is required, but just to release the little bit of soreness in their shoulders, they just put the ice packs.
Yeah.
So that's a really go-to thing during heavy matches. But off late, I'm using. I found a very good replacement of these Volini sprays. I'm using Ortho oil. It sounds like oil, sticky hoga and all, but it's nothing like that. It's a roll-on.
Okay.
So you can just open the cap and use it like a roll-on. So your hands are not getting stuck during the match. You can just quickly apply it and you are good to go. It so quickly releases all of the stiffness and soreness. So in some muscle pulls or the cramps, that Ortho oil really helped me.
Okay.
So that's my go-to, and it is always there in my kit bag nowadays.
Okay, wow,
Yeah.
that is great. So, a lot of working professionals these days feel like energy dips very rarely in the day as well. So, do you think that there have to be some non-negotiables that people should follow? Because I think you're also working 8 hours a day, then you're training, sometimes you're at the gym. So, I think that happens a lot of times where you're like, okay, I'm drained for the day, I'm just done. So, there might be something you might have been doing consistently that at least ensures that you don't feel that dip.
See, Nandini, I think that dip is not only physically, that is mentally as well, because people are exhausted mentally कि अब क्या करेंगे, इतना सब कुछ कैसे manage होगा. See, physically, we all know some basic answers, how to retain the energy. आप सप्लीमेंट्स प्रॉपरली ले सकते हैं. यूनी टैबलेट्स में लेती हूँ जिसमें सारे विटामिन्स आते हैं. सो बेसिक सप्लीमेंट्स ले सकते हैं. राइट न्यूट्रिशन है, प्रोटीन है, गुड स्लीप है, हाइड्रेशन है. So we all know all of these things. There is nothing rocket science about it. And protein pe to nowadays there are so many videos ki it's a boom, right? So everyone knows everything about nutrition and all.
Correct.
But when it comes to mental depth, see, although there are so many motivational videos are there, but what I follow, what I believe, what worked for me. So I follow two professions equally, right? I work for an edu technologies companies, edtech company hai.
Yeah.
And I work there as an educationist plus as their business head for the Hyderabad segment. And I'm a professional badminton player. So basically two professions I'm following. Sometimes mentally it takes a lot of toll because you have to prove yourself in both the aspects equally.
All spheres.
So हर जगह आप just prove ही कर रहे हो.
Correct.
Right? So mentally it takes a lot of toll. So what worked for me, when you are at work, always try to find a motivation. ऐसा challenge कि यार इसको fulfill करेंगे ना, तो I am like satisfied. Always try to find that challenge to achieve that challenge or try to find that kind of work which excites you.
Correct.
So I always believe that Mondays shouldn't be burdened. Monday blues nahi aana chahiye. Sunday break is very nice. Monday should also excite you. Okay, I have to go to work. I'll do this. I'll do that. Abhi aaj ye karna hai. So I teach, right? So that motivates me a lot. Ki arey, aaj ye wala concept padhana hai mujhe. The moment I enter the classroom, I feel like I'm owning it. So that's for workplace and for hobby aspects. So for me, it's badminton. So if you pursue any hobby equally as a profession, please try to make good friends.
Okay.
Because sometimes you do not have the motivation to reach for your hobby, but your friends pull you in. आ जाओ यार, खेलेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा आ तो जाओ, मत खेलना. But the moment you reach over there, you can't resist.
And you're activated.
And you are full on. You feel that you are tired, but the moment you reach over there, that ambience, and you're done. So always have the right set of friends. It's all about the people. See, I always focus on people. So it's all about people. If you have right set of friends, आप automatically motivated और यार वहाँ जाऊँगा यार वो मिलेगा वो मिलेगी अरे it's a fun चलो ठीक है कुछ नहीं भी करेंगे मैं मिल के आ जाऊँगा. But you reach over there. Reaching part is the toughest obstacle.
Yes.
So once that is sorted, it works.
Wow. So when you say your friends or people around you, because you're at a beautiful age, and I do not think that anybody out there can guess what all you've been doing. But if somebody gets to know you, like I did, I was like quite impressed. So you might get like a lot of compliments from people, right? Given your age and the profession, everything that you're balancing together. I think you hear that a lot, right?
See, I would say it's on the contrary.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, see, देखो, fat shaming तो बहुत common है, right?
हाँ.
We all are suggested that we should not do fat shaming.
Correct.
Nowadays, I feel fit shaming is very common. Have you heard about this term, fit shaming?
No, wow, that's a first.
Yeah, that is there, true. See, fit shaming is like when you are taking care of yourself, when you are taking care of your diet, when you're taking care of your sleep, and you're taking care of the right schedules, कि मैं late night नहीं करूँगी because early morning I have to go to gym, I'll not eat junk, I'll eat clean. People start mocking you. Oh, तुम तो diet पर हो ना, तुम तो ये नहीं खाओगी. तुम तो प्रोटीन ही खाती होगी. अच्छा, that doesn't sound like a compliment. That sounds like a criticism. That sounds like a taunt. Okay, am I doing anything wrong if I'm taking care of my food? If I'm taking care of the fibers, right nutrients? Is that wrong? No. But dhire dhire, people very slowly and in a very subtle manner, they try to get away from you. The only reason being they cannot follow you.
Correct.
They cannot do what you're doing. Right? So just people are getting away. Don't be demotivated. Keep doing what you are doing. जो right set of people होंगे, they will still get attracted towards you. आपका friend circle वो बनेगा. But the people, those who cannot admire because they cannot follow you,
Correct.
right? Deep down, they still admire you, but they cannot do what you are doing. That's why they do the simplest of the thing, criticism.
Wow.
So that's how fit shaming. Yeah, I really feel that.
That is really strange, and that's something I've actually never heard of. This is a first. But now that you say, it does make sense because we've seen a lot of people. I think people feel that their intention is just to like show concern, but it comes out in a very wrong way, right?
True.
That is really sad. But I hope people do better there.
Yes. No, I just believe keep doing the right thing. The right thing will get attracted. As
Correct,
simple as
correct.
that.
So, beyond medals and championships, I'm sure the sport might have taught you a lot of things. Say resilience, say being really in the zone where you're ready to conquer everything every single day. So, what is it that has also affected your professional life, which you've learned from badminton?
See, one very important thing I learned from badminton, you can't keep winning every time,
Correct.
right? 21 पॉइंट्स का गेम है, आप 21-0 किसी से नहीं जीत सकते हो, right? आप जीतोगे, but probably 21-19 से भी जीत रहे हो, तो आप जीत रहे हो, right? But you are
Yes.
not going to win each and every single point.
Correct.
Same thing applies in the life. आप हर बार नहीं जीत सकते हो, आप हारोगे, कभी वो काम नहीं हो पाएगा जो आप सोच रहे थे. So it keeps on happening. That is not strange thing. वो तो होगा ही. Important is वो जो point आपने lose किया है, after that, how you focus on the next point, how you focus on coming back from that little bit of failure,
Yeah.
or probably lost entire tournament. बहुत crucial tournament हो सकता है. So I lost one very crucial tournament. So World Championship happens every biennial, every alternate year.
Okay.
So in 2023 also, there was World Championship. Selection was from National Championship, right? Semi-finals, अगर आप पहुंच जाते हो, तो you will get selected for the World Championship.
Okay.
That was my dream. I was dying for the World Championship. कि 2023 इस बार तो मुझे जाना ही है World Championship के लिए, and I worked really hard for that. In quarterfinals, that was the last match, last obstacle for the selection. I lost that match.
Oh boy.
And there my dream of representing country also stopped.
Shattered. Correct.
खत्म हो गया, रुक गया, because there was no other chance after
Yeah.
that. Again, I have to wait for entire 2 years
Correct.
for that dream. So yes, I felt very shattered, but then I convinced that probably this is not the right time. I have to work harder. I'll come back stronger, and I'll prove myself and to everyone that okay, 2023 did not work out, but 2025 I'll make sure that I am going to do that. So the last 1 year, the way I trained myself, this year I was very confident, and I felt that it's good that it did not happen in 2023. Probably अगर तब हो जाता, मैं उसका इतना value भी नहीं करती.
Acha.
So this time, I'm valuing it a lot.
Yeah.
कि हाँ, it took a lot of effort. आपका सब कुछ लगाना पड़ता है आपको. So then only you'll get the results. And तभी वो खुशी होती है, and तभी वो goosebumps आते हैं when
Correct.
anyone talks about it.
Correct.
So it's life lesson वही है. आप नहीं जीत सकते हर बार. But the lesson and how you come back from that loss, come back stronger. That's the biggest achievement, basically.
True. So, in this conversation, I've realized you're actually truly a very inspiring person to me because honestly,
much.
I played national level football, but I also left it with school time. And given, it's time to move on, we think that and we obstruct our minds and then we're done for it. So, I want to ask you if there's a message that you can give people on how to balance, which you're already doing, how to balance profession, passion, health, and home all together without thinking twice about a lot of things that people are going to say, what would it be?
See, I think dreams do not need a perfect start. They just need a start.
Correct.
आप बस start कर दो. Even if it is hurting, just keep doing. नहीं achieve हो रहा है, it's okay, keep doing. Right? And जो कॉमन फ्रेज है कि किसी चीज को इतनी शिद्दत से चाहो कि पूरी कायनात उसको हासिल करने में आपका सपोर्ट करती है, दैट इज ट्रू. आप फर्स्ट स्टेप तो आपको ही लेना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
So a message, especially to all the women of my age or probably older to me, जिन्होंने लॉन्ग लास्ट ड्रीम्स होते हैं, छूट गए हैं, कभी स्कूल में कुछ स्पोर्ट्स में थे, कभी डांस में एक्टिव थे, बट अब बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, फैमिली है, बच्चे हैं, आई अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आर देयर, यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर, बट यू नीड टू चूज योरसेल्फ.
True.
यू हैव टू चूज.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अगर आप खुद को खुश नहीं रख पाए, अगर आप अपने लिए स्टैंड नहीं ले पाएंगे, सो आप किसी के लिए भी नहीं कर पाएंगे.
Correct.
So you have to. And when it comes to sports, I recommend each and everyone. आप competitive level पर खेलते हो, नहीं खेलते हो, that is secondary. But please make any sport as a part of your lifestyle. That gives you mobility, fitness. Agreed, yes. That is one aspect, fitness. Another aspect is you learn a lot of things. As a kid, if that kid is playing something, वो हारना सीखते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि हारने की आदत नहीं है.
नहीं.
हम इस रेस में हमने बच्चों को लगा दिया है कि एवरीवन वांट्स टू बी ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1. हर कोई गोल्ड मेडल ही लाना चाहता है. हम सिल्वर मेडल को भी सेकेंडरी कर देते हैं. हम सिर्फ जीतने की रेस में दौड़ रहे हैं. हारना भी सीखना है ना.
बिल्कुल.
हार को कैसे हैंडल करना है वो सीखना है.
Accept कर.
ताकि हार तो आएगी किसी ना किसी, आज स्टडीज में नहीं आई है तो कभी आगे किसी एस्पेक्ट पर आएगी. हाउ टू हैंडल द लॉस, हाउ टू हैंडल द डिफीट, वो आपको स्पोर्ट्स सिखाता है.
Correct.
सो मेक अ पार्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रंस लाइफस्टाइल और योर लाइफस्टाइल फॉर द फिटनेस. किसी भी तरीके से एक स्पोर्ट को इनकलकेट करिए. दैट इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट.
Wow. So this has been one of my favorite conversations, honestly,
Thank you.
because I have been really inspired with what all you're achieving. And there have been a lot of things people might have told you, or there have been things, I mean, that maybe want to hold you back, but you still pushed hard, and it is truly, truly inspiring, and it shows. This is like really beautiful. I had a great time talking with you, Praveen.
Same here,
Yeah.
Nandini. I'm really glad that you have me here. You
Yeah.
felt that मुझसे बात करना चाहिए, मेरा जर्नी सुनना चाहिए. So I
Totally.
really felt heard actually.
Yeah.
So I'm very glad, and I hope मेरे experience जितना हर कोई ना करे, उतना breaks हर कोई ना जाए, because हर किसी के पास mentor या कोई guide करने वाला नहीं.
नहीं
मेरे
होता.
पास कोई नहीं था. So it took me a lot of years.
Yeah.
So I don't want everyone to have such long break, and please keep continuing following your passion, hobbies.
All right. That was great talking to you. Thank you
Same
so
here.
much, Praveen.
Thank you.
Yeah.